Gareth Deck, and I'm going to show you the key features of this VST47 Arborist unit and explain to you why it's the most popular model that we build for arborists in New Zealand. So this truck has been set up with two A-frame stabilisers. They come out just behind the cab and they give this boom maximum stability at full reach with full weight in the bucket. So on this truck there is storage for everything an arborist needs. For example, this toolbox here has got storage for pole saws, top handle saws and ground saws. This is a dedicated flammables cupboard for all your fuel and oils. And on the left hand side we have this large cabinet which has got adjustable shelves, and you'd normally put climbing kit and so on in there. And we also have the inverter. And this storage cabinet on the left hand side is accessible from both sides. And we've designed this bin so you can load it full of chip and be assured that you'll be operating within the legal payload limits for this vehicle. Check out the features of this truck, it is so easy to drive. Push button auto, and check out this turning circle. I think that's better than my Ford Ranger Ute actually.